Hi, I'm Simon from Visualize. We create memorable design that brings people and brands together. Now, businesses come to us for support with their brand design and creative. In a nutshell, we help them attract the right customers by turning lifeless, text-heavy Word documents like this into beautiful pieces of on-brand marketing like this. But the design landscape is changing, and more businesses want to try their hand at design or want to attempt simple design jobs internally. Now, many struggle. So they're actually sending mixed signals by creating poorly designed, inconsistent marketing that goes against their brand. So I feel it's my duty to help solve this. So I've introduced the Creative Control workshops. Initially, this was to help businesses understand and use their brand identity better. So their logos, their color palettes, and the images they use without a design business. Now notice that I said without a design business. This is all about giving businesses the skills to create great design themselves. Now, since their launch, there's been a demand to take things up a notch, especially on social media. So now I've launched social media imagery using Canva like a pro, solely focused on creating engaging images for social. The workshop is aimed at business owners and marketing executives eager to create and manage their own social post design. The half-day course will give you a good working knowledge of Canva and plenty of hands-on experience on how to create engaging imagery for social. Plus, you'll leave with a set of templates ready to use to successfully promote your business. You'll also have access to a private Facebook group for peer-to-peer support, plus a 30-minute call with myself to discuss your creative direction for social. If you'd like more information, drop me a line or click on the link in the description below. Memorable design brings people and brands together, but the question is, what's keeping your brand and your people apart?